Hi guys, my name is Mary. Our brand is called Beta 3, and we are a professional audio solution manufacturer based in Dongguan City in Guangdong Province in China. Um, our company was founded in 1988, and our products are used in a wide range of applications, and our competitive advantages are that we have our own R&D capabilities. We have our own sales force and after sales customer service as well. And our products are sold in over 60 countries. And the product that we're going to talk about today is the S800s over here. This one is a weather resistant three-way plastic speaker. It uses a 8-inch low frequency woofer over here. And we also have a 8-inch coaxial mid-range and high frequency tweeter as well. The feature for this product is that it's very compact. We use neodymium magnets for our transducers. And for more information, you can find out on beta3pro.com. Thank you.